Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 1. We'll presentation about various biological agent bacteria for disease control. Before we start our presentation, we will introduce ourselves. First, Sartika Sari with student number 11, then Raihatun Mustakimah with student number 32, Dwi Cahyo Budi with student number 48, then Ismi Aflahal Mariah with student number 51. Biological agent is any nature which in all stages of its development can be used for the purpose of controlling pests and disease or plant disturbing organisms in the production process, processing agricultural product and various purpose. Biological agent bacteria for this control there are Bacillus subtilis, Pseudomonas fluorescens, and Burkholderia cepacia.
First, Bacillus subtilis. Bacillus subtilis from family Bacilliaceae, ordo Bacillales, is a gram-positive, fruit-shaped, single-cell bacterium measuring 0.5 till 2.5 micrometers times 1.2 till 10 micrometers, reacting positively catalysis, being aerobic or facultative anaerobic, and heterotrophic. Bacillus subtilis has a different physiology from other bacteria that are not pathogens, which is relatively easy to manipulate genetically and easy bred so that it can be developed on an industrial scale. Next, for infection mechanism, one of the suppression mechanism by strain of members of the genus Bacillus is antibiosis, indicated by the formation of resistant zone in Bacillus cultures, which is grown on the medium in layer with pathogenic bacteria. Antibiosis is an antagonistic mechanism by producing secondary metabolite in the form of antibiotic or antibiotic-like compounds such as palizing enzyme, volatile compound, sideropores, and other toxic substances. For target, Bacillus subtilis has several target organisms. There are Rhizoctonia, Pythium, Fusarium, Phytophthora, Aspergillus, Collectricum, and other soil-borne pathogens. And another example, isolate of Bacillus subtilis can control disease in apple caused by the pathogens Penicillium expansum, Botrytis cinerea, and Vesicula mollicorticis.
The classification of Pseudomonas based on Murray in Berge's Manual of Systematic Bacteriology 1984 is as follows: Kingdom Prokaryota, Divisi Graciolicutis, Class Protobacteriae, Ordo Pseudomobadaceae, Genus Pseudomonas, and Species Pseudomonas fluorensis. One species can produce a substance that can inhibit the growth of other species because the resulting substance contains toxins. The mechanism of inhibition of Pseudomonas fluorensis against other organisms includes the production of antifungal compounds, V compounds competition, plus competition, and nutrition. Pseudomonas fluorensis' ability as a biological control agency is related to its ability to compete for food substance or because it produces metabolite compounds such as siderophores, antibiotics, or extracellular enzymes. Pseudomonas fluorensis are known to be able to control the pathogen Sclerotium rofsii.
Burkholderia cepacia. This cepacia is a group of gram-negative Bacillus bacteria, cannot form spores, is aerobic, catalase, and oxidant positive, and has polar flagellum. The optimal growth temperature of B. cepacia is 13 until 35 Celsius degrees. B. cepacia is expressed as ubiquitous bacteria. The classification of Burkholderia cepacia is class from Beta Proteobacteria, order from Burkholderiales, family from Burkholderiaceae, genus from Burkholderia, and species Burkholderia cepacia. The mechanism of B. cepacia. The presence of this bacteria portably plays an important role in plant growth and development by producing secondary metabolite compounds and phytohormones. Endophyte bacteria are also reported to be actively involved in preventing the development of plant disease by synthesizing antibiotic compounds or enzymes that can inhibit the growth and development of plant pathogenic fungi and bacteria. Bisepacia bacteria are reported to act as one of the important endophyte bacteria in rice, corn, and sugarcane crops. The antagonistic activity of Bisepacia occurs through the secretion of secondary metabolites such as pyrrolithin, phenazine, copabactin, and as yet unidentified volatile or non-volatile compounds. The target of Bisepacia pathogens or control diseases are soil infectious fungi such as Rhizoctonia sp, Fusarium sp, Phytium sp on vegetable, wheat, and any soybean crops. That's all the presentation from our group. We apologize if there's any mistake. If you have any question, please feel free to ask on Spada Forum. Thank you.